3 ways chemistry impacts a football match. Number 1. The ball. Originally, they were made from leather with a vulcanized rubber interior bladder filled with air, just like a tyre. Today's top-flight balls still have a rubber interior, but the rest is a series of synthetic fibres, polyurethanes, polyolefins, and polyester. By blending these fibres, you can make the ball firmer, bouncier, or change how much it deforms when it's kicked. Number 2. Goalie gloves. Goalies use different types of latex in their gloves depending on conditions. Latex is a naturally occurring polymer made of long chains of hydrocarbon molecules and deforms around an object and becomes sticky thanks to the increased surface area and friction. Contact latex is great when it's dry, whereas giga-grip latex is much better when it rains. And the synthetic polymer neoprene cushions your hand from the impact of a fast-moving ball. And number 3, the vanishing spray. That instant white line in a can that referees use when there's a free kick? It's about 80% water, 17% butane gas, and the rest is made up of some other chemicals with things like surfactants. When sprayed, the butane expands, resulting in bubbles in the water which are stabilized by the surfactants, forming a gas-in-liquid colloid. In other words, a foam, which gives you just enough time to take a free kick before it disappears.